Hi Asad, Happy New Year. So this is the first day of this week. Long time actually in our country, you know about for our national election. That's why we cannot work as well as. And still now, our net line is not in proper way. So something in work have some facing some problem. So today I work as well as from opening my mail and check out over here, and I done my KG ad, and also I check out over Uber session, and I update the data in the proper channel, and also I saw your BA tasks list, and you have updated the supplier, and today my supplier was FC and RSR. Today I work on FC. It's on working. I have got some product, and tomorrow I will set my all research product and set it on my channel. So that's all of my work today's. So thank you for again happy day to you for New Year. So bye.